Hi guys, today we are going to make this amazing and tasty mini cup pudding. First take a saucepan, then add 3 tablespoons of sugar plus 1 tablespoon of water. Cook it until it is caramelized for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to low flame. You guys can see that the caramel color is starting to come slowly. Our caramel is now ready. Now immediately transfer it to a teacup or it will become stiff. To make small puddings, we are going to make it in cups. You guys can make it anywhere you want. Now keep it aside until it sets. Now take a mixing bowl. Add 2 eggs which has a room temperature and its size is medium. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar plus half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now mix them well for 1 minute. And then add 1 cup of milk. And now just give it a mix. And then now pour the pudding mixture inside the cup with a strainer. And then now it is ready to be steamed. Take a kadai and add 500 ml of water in the kadai. Then place up the cups one by one in the kadai. You guys can see whatever my mother is doing. Now cover it up with a lid and steam for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. After 20 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the pudding and if the peak comes clean, it means they are baked well. Now turn off the flame and take out from the hot water. Now wait for it to cool down completely, then refrigerate it for 1 hour if it is possible for you guys. It will be more tasty if you refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, demold the pudding and serve it. You guys can see the inside how delicious and juicy it is looking. It is also looking very pretty at the same time. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.